Let's begin from engine.ly. Today we will create an AI search engine using Wikipedia API. Okay. Also, we will explain how to deploy, how to create a cPanel, and how to change your domain DNS. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is go straight to your hosting, go to home. This is through using WHM. Okay. So all you have to do is create an account, fill all the details, VPS. So I have both dedicated and VPS. Normally, I would suggest the VPS. Yeah, copy the name service, and then go to your domain provider. Could be GoDaddy or Registry. All you have to do is go to DNS records there, copy these ones, paste to them, save, and then it would take between 24 hours and 40 hours to populate, to become active, right? And once you do that, you click create, okay, home, accounts, yeah, okay. And this is the panel for the tree.quiz, okay. So when you start a new project, make sure you do the right research and make sure you have the right domain, right? It needs to say what it is. If you buy something from the market, and it needs to say what it says in the tin, okay? Because most of the times people buy, I don't know, a 10 letters domain, and that doesn't promote itself, and you end up spending thousands and thousands on marketing. I'm telling you, if you got the right domain, you don't have to promote. The only promotion you need to do is word of mouth, okay? That name says it all. So you done your research, right? And now what we need to do is we need to write the prompt like this. I want to build a website called tree.is using engine.ly. Please help me create a descriptive, detailed prompt for tree search engine that uses the Wikipedia, blah, blah, blah. So that's the prompt. Use ChatGPT. Don't type that in engine.ly because you want to say credits. Once you type, ChatGPT gives you the right prompt. Okay. All you have to do, copy. Okay. And then you go to engine.ly, pass there, and you enter. Okay. And then engine.ly will start building your website. Okay. Sometimes if there's a bug, because it's normal, you have to write, you may have to re-prompt again and again, normally 3 times, and you get the full website, basic website. Okay. I already built a website. The website doesn't require database because it's just a search engine. So no one is going to be able to register on website. Okay. Click. As you can see, that's the website. Let me just show you the prompt that I typed. That's the prompt. Okay. I had to reprompt a couple of times just to fix the Wikipedia API because it's tricky. And yeah, so you go to this is the Wikipedia, and this is the API that I have at my tree.is. So what that means is you got the website. Anytime people type a keyword on that page, you will gather all the information from Wikipedia based on your keyword. Okay, here we go. And this is the website we built. Very basic. Okay, and what we have to do is, so as you know, it's been built, right? And you have to deploy to cPanel. Okay, all you have to do is second back again. As you can see, once the website is built, all you have to do is gonna open in the new window. There's the website. Then we have to just type the keyword. There you go. Pinterest style layout. It's quite cool. And yeah, so you type a tree and it gathers data. It pulls data from Wikipedia API. It's quite cool. Very basic. So yeah, and if you want to download, you have to do is download Build cPanel, and then you get the files like this. Second, there we go. And all you have to do is you upload to your cPanel, go to Files, and upload. I'll show you. So the project will be saved on the dashboard. Second, let's go back. Anytime you want to make changes to your project, you can do it, but you always have to compile the code and upload to your hosting and replace all the files. I'll show you. Upload the files. Terrible. Here we go. Back. Here we go. Extract. And now, once you start the extraction, you will replace all the files. What that means is you can update your site, make sure the project is safe on your engine.py dashboard, and you can apply the changes any time. Okay, and your site visitors won't even notice. Okay, so that's a project for today, very basic, and yeah, see what comes next. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye now.